What's happening everyone, we're back today with another video on the RS Turbo. So today we're going to be getting rid of these horrible tail lights and we're going to be replacing them with, I'll just get them out slightly, nice set of red and half smoked sets like everyone used to run back in the day, but I feel these really complement the car. As you can see, it's a bit dated because that also needs to go. So we'll start off by ripping out the bulb holder. You can see just a nice little clip, and then we can swing that off to one side. We can just pretty much leave it there, and then as you can see it just consists of bolts going all the way along and some going through here, as you can see. Pretty sure they're an 8mm, so I'll just quickly get a ratchet and socket and we will get this tail light out. There you go, 8mm. Started spinning. Problem number one. The wiring on this car is pretty shoddy, so we will have to just do some repairs over time, because I can see house connectors and these stupid things. I don't know why anyone uses them, so I'll have to come back here at a later date with an iron, also leave some crimps and just do it all properly. Use something to get that off, because oh, it's actually come out of the tail light. That's handy. Once this one's off, so we can pull this out. Okay, that's them all tight. Okay, for some reason there's like a thing there. I'll have to try and cut that away.
Many minutes later.
Okay, quite a snug fit, but fits better than the old ones, to be fair, once it's in place. Just a bit of manipulation. Now what we'll do, okay, so we've got one of them on. I think it looks 10 times better on that right hand side now. So we're going to quickly do this near side one off camera because my GoPro's just overheated, and we will show you the finished result with both taillights on. Okay, so GoPro overheated again. They need to sort their life out, mate. Honestly, I'm sick with that camera. It's either too cold, it's too bloody hot. You can't win with the thing. But anyway, I've got the other tail light fitted off camera, and what a transformation already. Car looks 10 times better. Yeah. The worst part is I remember this car originally having, I think, genuine Ford ones of these on, and my dad ended up taking them off, putting the clears on and then giving them away, which is a bit annoying, but it's okay because we've got another set on the car today, and yeah, you can't beat these half smoke lights on the RS turbos. Literally the best lights ever made for them. So guess that will be all for today's video, guys. If you did like the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.